Hello, I am Emma for Ease Meditation. If you are new to meditation or want to check in on something to do with technique, then please visit our How to Meditate section. There is lots of practical information and some personal insights from our members. Find a comfortable position. Usually try for a symmetrical, relaxed position, sitting or lying down. Today's meditation mindfulness exercise is about body awareness. It's an exercise session that only requires your mind to work your body. And now, close your eyes. Hello and welcome to this meditation. Did you know that mentally engaging your body in a workout or stretch yields similar results as physically exercising? Today, we will be practicing mental stretching to soothe the muscles on a deeper level. Take a few moments to sit or lie down, allowing yourself to become as comfortable as possible. Settling into the body, feel free to keep a bottle of water nearby if you like. If you are practicing this session post-workout, take a few moments to bring to mind all of the ways that you worked your muscles, heart, and lungs today. Connect with each element and go through the workout as if you're watching a movie. See your muscles flex and tighten, and the light sheen of sweat on your body. Allow yourself to feel some pride in your accomplishments. If you do not have a regular workout routine, this session may serve as motivation to adopt a regular body movement practice, or you may simply sit back and enjoy stretching the muscles without lifting a finger. Now, let's connect with the neck. Mentally, lift your head up, pointing your eyes to the ceiling. Now, nod the head up and down. And back and forth. Connect with the muscles in your chest and upper back now. Mentally, curve your spine in a C shape, like a stretching cat, chest jutting out, and then curve the spine inward, pulling the muscles of the chest in. Mentally, stretch your arms above your head now. Then pull your right arm across your chest with your left hand. And then pull your left arm across your chest with your right hand. Imagine engaging with your core now, the muscles in the abdomen and the back. See yourself rotating to the left and holding in place for a few moments. Then to the right, continuing to stretch the muscles of the core. As you stretch, in your mind's eye, remember to breathe. Breathing is an important element of both meditation and body movement. Try to align your breathing with your mental stretching. Inhaling deeply as you mentally bend the body forward to touch the toes. And exhaling slowly as you bring yourself back to the center. With your next in-breath, envision stretching your hamstrings, bringing your right knee up to your chest as you breathe in. And relaxing the muscle, bringing the foot back to the floor as you breathe out. Now, do the same for your left leg. Remember, your mind knows no difference between real stretching and imagined stretching. Right now, it believes that you are engaging your body and soothing your muscles. Give in to this belief, this beautiful trick of the mind, and feel your muscles loosen as you straighten the spine. Stretching your arms above your head, lengthening your legs as well. Reaching out and splaying your fingers and toes as you give your whole body a nice stretch. Holding this pose in your mind's eye for a few moments, harmonizing the breath with the body with gentle but focused intention. You may continue practicing this meditation on your own, or you may choose to rise and continue your day after a few moments of silence and gratitude. We have reached the end of the guided part of this meditation. Gently bring yourself back from your bubble. Come out slowly.